Hello, in this video we're going to learn how to book fixed deposit in a strategic ERP. So to book fixed deposit, we'll open finance module and we'll go to the fixed deposits form. So basically to fixed deposits, you have to create a FD ledger, means fixed deposit ledger. So that will be created from the ledger accounts, and you have to create FD ledgers and you have to keep FD account as true and provide FD account number, maturity date, and FD rate of interest in that particular ledger, right? Then you can book the fixed deposits. So to book fixed deposits, you need to provide the project, under which project you have created that fixed deposits or FD, then from which date that FD is applicable, and to date for which period this FD is applicable, then the today's date on which date that FD account is been created. Then the ledger of FD, right? Once you select FD ledger, the FD account number, rate of interest, and the maturity date, that comes automatically, which we have provided in ledger account. Then you have to provide the bank account from which bank you have booked this FD, in which bank you have booked this FD. So I have selected it as HDFC Bank, then the mode TT, right? Then amount 10 lakhs, and the additional details like check number. If you are creating this FD by check, then the check number, favoring if DD, then in which favor, right? Then you have to provide days in year. Once you provide days in years, then maturity value will be automatically calculated by system. So let's suppose I provide it's 365 days in a year, so my majority value is 10 lakh 80,000. So 80,000 would be the interest, which is calculated by 8%. Then if you want to utilize this FD against any BG number, you can provide it over here. If you want a reminder on the expiry of that FD, so that you can withdraw it or you can expand it further, so you can provide a reminder from date and reminder email ID, so that system can put reminders on that particular mail. Once you will click on save button, the entry will be created, and once you will approve this entry, the system will automatically post the financial effects in your books. Thank you.